Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. So Dennis here again. So I'm here on Burlington Test Center, and today I will drive on their G test on the routes, and while I'm driving I'll give you tips and advice. So always park backwards, and you know the drill. You go inside, you registered on the kiosk, and you come back to your car. Please make sure you're buckled up, because sometimes students forget it, and wait for the examiner. Okay, so now I'm going to drive off the parking lot, so make sure you drive safe here. There are lots of pedestrians, there are cars parked beside you, so make sure you're pulling out very safe. So I'll give my signal here to the right. Look around, left and right, make sure there's no pedestrian, check your blind spot on the right, and then pull out, and you are safe. Okay, and then let's go drive here. Drive smoothly again, drive smoothly, be confident, smooth and safe. CSS, right? Confident, safe and smooth. Okay, then let's make a right here. Go stop here on this four-way stop or hallway stop. Let's make a right. Check your blind spot. Okay, first. So they will make it turn left here at this traffic light here. So it's green. Scan the pedestrians. It's clear. There's no cars. Turns yellow, but I'm already very close, so I go. So I won't be able to stop anymore. That's why I did go. Okay, but if you have time to stop, you have to. Then you switch lane to the right. Don't forget that. Okay, so wait for the green light. Make sure your distance is a car apart. Okay, so again, if something this car stalled in front of me, you will be able to go around without even backing up. Okay, that's the idea. So this is a good distance. Okay, always look around. I can go a little forward so the guy on the back can turn right. Okay, so make sure you scan every single traffic light. You scan left and right as you go. Okay. And then drive on the traffic flow, so 60. So if the traffic is very fast, don't match up with them. Okay, so you maintain 60. Alright, so let's go 60. Make sure you scan your mirror. Before I forget, make sure you scan your mirror. There's a sign here that my lane is ending, so I will switch to the left safely. And it's still green. Always scan every 5 to 8 seconds. Scan one of your mirror, your rear view mirror, and then your side view mirrors. Okay, so drive 60 here. So don't forget to scan. That's very, very important. Scanning, okay? Because they will, the examiner will look at you if you are doing your scanning, if you're observing. Okay, I have a student, a couple of them I can remember, but they failed because of the observation alone. Okay, they're not checking their blind spot. They're not checking often. Be aware of that. So always scan every 5 to 8 seconds. Okay, because this is you're just cruising here, right? Speed of 60, you're just driving straight. So we'll make a right here on this street, the Gulf line. So it's green. There's no pedestrian crossing. So I turn smoothly. Then go to highway here, alright? Go to here at the Gulf line. Again, make sure your distance is good. Just relax, look around. Okay guys, so if you like the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can watch my future videos. And if you have comment or if I missed something, just let me know, just put it below so I can make another video. So it's an arrow. Go turn, and we go to 403 QEW 403 Toronto. Right, so let's exit here, check your blind spot still. So the rule of thumb, every time you use your signal, you check your blind spot so you don't forget. Okay, so let's drive on this ramp. If they're suggested 20, you can go over that 20 because it's a yellow sign. There's a car in front of me, so I'm just matching up my speed and maintaining my distance. Okay, so I'm getting off the highway now, so I start speeding up because the car also speeding up. I want to bring because the traffic is good, I want to bring my speed to 100 or 95 before I go, but this car is slowed, so I need to switch lane now. Watch the coming vehicles. Most of the time they will let you go, they will give way for you because they know you need to merge. Okay, so that will be your, and then they will make you switch lane here, switch lane to the left. Don't forget your blind spot, and then they'll make you go back to the right. Switch lane, check your blind spot, right? These protocols you need to show them. Smoothly, and this walker's line, we will exit here. I think that car is also in the fence. The car that I'm following, the white car. Okay, so once you exit here, you manage your speed, start slowing down or using your brake. There's suggested 50 here, so you can go a little bit over the 50. That's fine. Then we'll make a left here, traffic line. Alright, so every time I step on my brake, I look at the car behind me. Okay, this guy is very aggressive. He's following me too close. That's fine, don't get intimidated. At least you know, be aware. Okay, so look around, relax, and your test is almost done. You're halfway of your test. Okay, so again, if you have any question, just message me. Okay, you can reach me out on my number on my description. And you can email me if you want. You can follow me on Instagram too. Want my video, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So on the right side, switch lane to the right, going to exit again. We're going to the highway again. We're going to QE 403 Hamilton. So signal here, check your blind spot still, and then go inside, turn off my signal. Suggested 30 here, so I just go a little bit over with that. Right now I'm on 36 and 37. again. I'm following this car. I think he's on the test. I'm practicing maybe. Then I'll try to pick up my speed right away here as early as I can. A little aggressive on your speed. There's a lot of room, 300 meters, alright? So your speed up to 95. Now I'm running at 87 because there's a car in front of me. I can bring it to 100, so still that's a good speed. And make sure you guys scan, check your blind spot, right, before you merge. Stay relaxed, that's the key. Be confident and stay relaxed. There's a lot of room for you to speed up or to assess, observe and scan. Okay? So again, we will exit here on Gulf Line. First exit. So your exit is just Gulf Line and Walker's Line. Okay, then we'll exit here. Okay, so slow down here when you got inside that sign suggested 50. Go over, like now I'm on 60. So we're going straight on North Service Road. So I'm on the right position here. I'm going straight. Safe distance. Look at the rear view mirror. Okay, so let's wait for the light. So the common mistake of the driver is they're not relaxed. That's very common. They're nervous. When you're nervous, you commit mistakes and you're driving without your senses. Okay, so stay calm. I will make a video of most common mistakes based on my experience, and I'll put it on the video. So we'll make a left here on Gulf Line, on Service Road here, North Service Road. We'll make a left. Okay, so it's green. Make sure you observe your driving distance. Don't get too close to the car. Okay, control your speed. We always drive smooth and in control. Okay. Let's go. I don't see any sign here, the speed sign, so I will follow the match up your speed on the road, but I will assume here 60 because it's very open. There's no residential here. So I see a humps here, right? There's a sign of a humps. So I don't know where that humps is. Just drive. Okay. So look at that, it's 60 here, so I'm correct. Service Road, so 60. So what you need to do here is just to scan your mirrors often. Okay, every 5 to 8 seconds you look at one of your mirrors. Don't forget that, and be aware of your speed. That's it, and we are almost done. Okay, so we need to stop. It's red. wait for green and watch the intersection. Okay, look at the cars, relax, and again, before I put, keep your hand on your steering wheel. Okay, if you're sweaty, you can wipe it, then put it back again. Okay, let's go. Check left and right as you go. Okay, so I see 60 here. Always observe traffic signs. Okay, traffic rules. Okay, so my lane is ending here, but I need to make a right here because we are going to our test center and we're done. Okay, so it turns green. There's no pedestrian. I check my blind spot, make sure there's no bicycles or scooters. Okay, then I will make a left here. This first intersection here, I have the right of way. There's no coming vehicles, so I can turn, and they will make you just park here anywhere. So I'm just gonna park straight here on this parking lot. Okay guys, so that is your G-test in Burlington. Pretty long drive, but it's easy. So again, be confident, drive safely and smoothly. Alright guys, so if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and good luck to your future test, and take care, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.